Hello guys, welcome back to AutoSir channel. The 2025 Yamaha XSR700 has officially arrived, and it's already turning heads across the motorcycle world. Known for blending retro styling with modern performance, this bike is part of Yamaha's famous Faster Sons philosophy, which pays tribute to classic designs while packing them with the latest technology. If you're looking for a motorcycle that captures the spirit of the past but rides like the future, the XSR700 is one machine you don't want to overlook. At first glance, the 2025 Yamaha XSR700 stands out with its bold retro-inspired design. The round LED headlight, minimalist bodywork, and sculpted fuel tank give it an authentic vintage look. However, every detail has been modernized for today's riders, from the sleek digital display to the lightweight aluminum accents. The bike is available in stunning color schemes, but the matte black and heritage-inspired finishes are particularly eye-catching. This is a motorcycle that looks just as good parked at a cafe as it does ripping through the open highway. Underneath its retro styling, the XSR700 hides one of Yamaha's most popular engines, the 689 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, parallel twin CP2 engine. Delivering around 74 horsepower and 50 pound-feet of torque, it provides smooth, predictable power that makes it perfect for both new riders and experienced motorcyclists. The cross-plane philosophy crankshaft adds a unique character to the ride, offering plenty of low and mid-range torque. Whether you're cruising in the city or carving through twisty backroads, the XSR700 delivers performance that feels effortless and exciting. The 2025 XSR700 doesn't just look good and go fast, it also handles like a dream. Thanks to its lightweight frame and well-balanced chassis, the bike feels nimble and confidence-inspiring. The suspension setup has been refined for 2025, providing a smooth ride while still keeping the sporty edge Yamaha is known for. With an upright seating position and comfortable ergonomics, this motorcycle is ideal for daily commuting, weekend adventures, or even long-distance rides. It strikes the perfect balance between style, comfort, and control. Despite its retro appearance, Yamaha has equipped the new XSR700 with modern technology. The bike features an updated full LCD display with clear readability, ABS for enhanced braking safety, and optional traction control for added rider confidence. Riders will also appreciate the high-quality components like the LED lighting system and lightweight wheels. For those who love customization, the XSR700 is part of Yamaha's Yard Built program, making it a fantastic platform for personalization and unique builds. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2025 Yamaha XSR700 is its price. Starting at around $8,899 in the US market, it offers an incredible balance of retro styling, reliable performance, and modern features, all without breaking the bank. Compared to its competitors in the neo-retro segment, the XSR700 remains one of the most affordable yet premium-feeling options. It's the kind of bike that gives you maximum value for your money while still making you feel like you're riding something truly special. To sum it all up, the 2025 Yamaha XSR700 is more than just a motorcycle, it's an experience. It blends classic design with cutting-edge engineering, creating a ride that appeals to both nostalgic riders and younger enthusiasts looking for style with substance. With its powerful CP2 engine, refined handling, and competitive price tag, the XSR700 proves that Yamaha knows exactly what riders want. If you've been searching for a motorcycle that combines heritage, performance, and affordability, the 2025 Yamaha XSR700 might just be the perfect choice for you.